Who is Wasiu Alabi Pasuma? Wasiu Alabi Pasuma, born November 27, 1967, also known as Ogunla, is a Nigerian film actor and Fuji musician. Pasuma was born on November 27, 1967 at Mushin in Lagos State and was brought up in Kwara State, western Nigeria. Pasuma started his musical career in 1984, at the tender age of 17. Though he only had the opportunity to record his first album in 1993. This debut album titled Recognition made the artist popular. The artist said he titled the album Recognition because he was seeking for recognition then. King Wasiu Alabi Marshall was the person who inspired Pasuma to do music. Deep inside, the young singer felt he could do more. He often gathered his friends and sang. The passion for music was so strong that he decided to leave the Nigeria Model High School and go into music fully. In 80s and 90s, he used to play at the hotels in Mushin, Ojuelaba, Abutemeta, Surulere, Jaibu and others. In 1993, Aruoa Records offered the artist to record an album for him. He refused initially, but they insisted and urged him to try. In the end, they signed an agreement which gave birth to his debut album titled Recognition. The artist started playing and performing on the stage since 1984 after his secondary education, but the truth is has been on the street for a very long time. Pasuma explained that being on the street made him a successful Fuji musician because his father didn't want him to play Fuji music. Unlike Juju, which takes its root from gospel or church music, Fuji music is a street music which helped Pasuma become somebody who he was that day. The second album, Choices, was released the following year, and the third album in 1995 titled Orobakibo. This album earned him the Best Fuji Artist Award at the FMA Awards. To celebrate 30 years of the musician career, the Fuji star Alabi Pasuma decided to release a hip-hop album.